Hey there planners, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. Today I have a quick unboxing, you guys, because I have to go get dinner ready. I'm gonna make albondigas. I'll leave it here. If you don't know what albondigas is, it's basically Mexican meatballs, but yeah, different sauce though. It's not like spaghetti sauce or anything like that. But all right, you guys, so this is my first ever Personal Rings agenda. What are they called, you guys? Just Personal Rings, right? Okay, so it's from Moterm. Come on, my voice is a little I don't know, kind of crackly, or I don't know what's going on. I was feeling better, but now it's like whew. All right, so I purchased this through Amazon, and I'll leave you a link here so you can take a look. Okay, it comes in that box. It comes in this little felt or velvet pouch. Chiquita, chiquita. And my baby decided to go crazy. All right, so let's take a look. So now they're using the, all right, so I guess, so you can guess what color I chose, right? By the fly leaf right here. So I picked the black pebble leather Personal Rings agenda planner cover. What is this called? Oh my goodness, I can't recall, you guys. Anyways, so this is the first time that I'm gonna try a personal, and we're not gonna set it up today, okay? I just want to show you how it comes packaged. And so you have a pocket here, pocket here, pocket here. You have slot for credit cards, and here I guess you can put your deco, or if you're going to use this as your wallet, you can add I don't know, insurance card, license here, yeah, different things here. You do have a zipper here. This would be for your coins or receipts, anything you want to keep here, keys, I don't know, just anything like that. It does have silver rings, the silver zipper pull right here, okay, and the snap. Okay, so now this one is just the regular Personal Rings, okay? It's not the locks or the Versa, whatever. So it only has one snap, which is silver too. And you have the pocket back here for money. So I'm thinking this is gonna be, I'm probably gonna try this for my wallet and my planner, okay, on the go. So we'll see. Now for the pen loop here, I use my Pentel Klena, so it fits perfectly there. There you go. So I won't have trouble taking my pen with me. I just, there we go. All right, and the back is just a nice soft pebble. So now it does come with inserts. I'm not sure exactly how many pages, but this is these are the daily inserts. You can see here it has the date. You can mark the day of the week. You can mark your weather, and here are your line pages. So this is a good amount, actually. It's probably 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is probably at least a couple of months, maybe 2-3 months of daily inserts. And all right, so this one, this fly leaf right here, I don't know why this one doesn't have a pen loop. I have an extra pen loop that I purchased for my, oh, I don't have it. Oh yeah, I do have it here. I thought I had it in my bedroom. I have an extra pen loop that goes with this cover right here. It's the same, the burnt orange color. So if I need it, I'll use it with this if it fits. If not, I might purchase an extra one. And on this sleeve, you have pockets. You have credit card pockets. Is this upside down? It goes this way? Yeah, it goes this way. There you go. Let me show you. So this is just a gift card. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay, there you go. Come on. I don't know if I'm gonna put this on the front or the back. Let's see. Okay, the holes in this pages are really small, but they turn fine. Yeah. Okay. All right, you guys. So this is an unboxing of my new Personal Rings Moterm in the black pebble leather. And I think I said something else. I don't know. It's pebble leather. And I'm not going to show you what I'm going to do with it yet. That's going to be in the next video because I have to go cook, you guys. I have to go cook dinner. It's getting super dark already. And it's not even 5 o'clock yet. So, oops. Where's the snap? There it is. Oh my gosh. So I'm excited for this size. I'm hoping that this is gonna work better than my pocket Moterm. So we'll see, you guys. All right, so that is my unboxing for today. I'll come back most likely tomorrow morning, you guys, or tomorrow afternoon, I'm not sure, and we're gonna set it up. I'm working with tons of printouts and things that I purchased and vellum and stickers and all kinds of good stuff. Okay, all right friends, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Like always, I'll see you on the next one. Bye.